Let's do the 24-hour challenge. Let's do the 24 challenge hour. I have snacks, water, snacks, water, coloring, coloring book, and coloring. 24 hours. No going to the bathroom and no going to the CR. Don't and no letting no making snacks. And you touch the floor, you lose. Let's start the challenge.
Okay. Ano challenge mo?
It's a challenge and you get over there so the CR you lose. Mami, you tasama ta.
Wala akong gamit eh. Ikaw lang muna, kunwari. Aanayin kita. You want to pee?
No!
Do you want to pee?
No! No! No!
Let's go to the CR muna.
No!
Do you want to go outside?
No!
Ano no?
Wanna buy toys? No?
At may mic din tayo eh. Hindi tayo narinig.
No!
Let's
No!
go buy toys.
No!
Do you want to go to Starbucks?
No!
No? Hala, nag-step out ka na. You lose! Saan ba dapat di mag-step out?
Sa labas.
Ito safe. Ito safe.
Ah, safe yan?
Mhm.
Ah, okay. Ang bawal lang pag
Mommy, say something, Mama. Mama, say something. Mama, say something, Mama. We have water, snacks, and coloring and crayon. Say asking. S.
Oh. May ipis! Want to go out?
No!
May daga! No? No.
I saw that in Monday.
Ha?
I watched it in Monday. The video of the mom is treating it.
Yeah.
You.
Ano yung
Lapit
picture ko?
ta.
Ha?
Lapit ta.
Lapit ako? Well, I don't have,
Huh?
nice clothes. I will just talk here.
You're that there's that something and you
Ah,
said
okay.
there must be 100.
Who wants milk? Do you want milk? You
No.
want to go out and drink milk? No?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go.
No. Nice body. With a nice spoon. No. Oh, I love her something that on purpose. I love her skin. I love it. I like ice cream. Ow. We need to drink water.
I'll give you this 1,000. We go to Starbucks. Let's go out. Dali, go out
The
na.
snap.
Hey, Athena. Let's go to Starbucks na.
Wow, nice bud.
Sagot, baby, yes or no?
No.
No?
No, nice yes.
Ay,
No.
no, step up. Magkano ba yung premium niya, baby?
Wow, nice lipstick. Nice damit. Nice necklace. Wow, nice. He braided her hair. Mommy, do me ask Mama.
Ano yun?
It's a challenge.
Ay, daddy ask na.
No. Not yet. There's no toilet. Ding 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 ding. Only toilet. There's toilet. Daddy, ask. Mommy, ask.
Okay. Anong gagawin mo? Use your... Laya ka na ni Happy. Loud. Happy, doon na sa doghouse mo. Doghouse mo. Doon na tayo.
Mama.
O, kakain ka na? Oh, you should have
I have just I like water.
Are you hungry? Then let's go outline and eat Jollibee. Who
Mm.
wants Jollibee? Hands up. Magkano premyo ba?
5,000.
Wow! 5,000? Who wants to play? Give me. Tablet.
Did
Don't pupunsin no. Wait, tablet.
no. What you doing?
Okay, who wants to play? Tablet. Oh, no! Outside, you will go outside if you want to play tablet. One. Yes, outside? Outside? Outside?
Me.
Outside ka na? Talo na!
No.
Outside, tablet.
No.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Ano nga lang to trick you. Hindi pwede. Outside lang pag...
Ano nga, di ba? No gadget.
Oo, no gadget. 24 hours challenge. Nakikita ko sa agad yun. Wow!
Outside.
Outside na!
Oh, you lose now. You step out. No, ito safe din.
Safe pa yan?
Ito. Dawa ito. Ito safe.
Oh, safe.
Na. Mata. Mommy, dada. Daddy treat me, dada. Wow.
Who wants makeup? And you will
Me.
step outside. You
Me.
will step outside?
No.
Oh. You can get it if you will step outside. Yes or no?
No.
No.
You're treating
Okay, next.
me.
Pasok sa loob mo. This dog.
No.
Step
No.
outside.
No.
No. Have you?
Daddy.
Doggy.
Kitty. Kitty. Ask mama. Ask. No. Mommy.
Doon ka na. Nakita ako.
Mommy, ano? Ask.
Question?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Give me the ano. Rinig ba ako? Okay, I will ask you a question. Pretend you're in the pageant. Stand up and pretend you have a mic. Dali.
No.
Ayaw niya. Dali yung ano, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Nothing.
Dog?
Doctor.
Doctor, why doctor?
Mm.
To
Mm.
heal.
Mm.
To heal?
Ano mo na?
No.
Ayaw niya. Done na yung challenge mo now?
No! Not
Ano na?
done!
Kaya nga, question ka nga ni Mami para tumagal yung video mo.
Oo nga.
Oh, question ka ni Mami.
Ay, na-open to! Na-open.
Oh, ano na?
Question ka ni Mami, go. Oh, question ni
What?
Mami.
Anong gagawin mo pag natapon mo yung food na hawak ni mommy?
Mama, can you please Mama, can you clean it up? I will help you.
And what will you say to your mama?
Sorry.
At English. English ka na.
Mama.
What will you do if your friend is sad? What will you do, Atina?
Hug him.
Hug your friend and
Dana.
huh? And
And kiss my friend.
kiss your friend. Wow. And what will you do if it's somebody your classmate doesn't have food?
I-share natin yung food to.
Okay, my final question. Are you sleepy?
No. I'm not
Why are you
sleepy.
laying down? Are you sleepy?
No. No, Ma. Ask me, Mama. I need food.
Yeah.
I need food. Nandun to.
Did you join the pageant now?
Yes.
What is your talent?
Dancing.
And
Singing.
wow.
No.
Can you show me? I will patugtog and you dance. You show me your talent.
Sing na lang.
Sing. Jesus sa Cruz.